Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to import your European luxury achievement with us. At Punchi, we make vehicle import totally hassle-free while offering the lowest prices in Sri Lanka. Let's look at a few vehicles. Volkswagen T-Cross, 14.3 million. Peugeot 2008, 21.4 million. Mercedes-Benz C200, 36.8 million. Range Rover Evoque P300e, 33.8 million. BMW 218i, 24.8 million. Mercedes-Benz A-Class, 24.9 million. Land Rover Defender P300, 67 million. These are only a few vehicles. Many more European models are available on request. Why choose Punchi to import your European vehicle?
Punchi Niwasa is the largest vehicle dealership in Sri Lanka, with over 20 years of experience and millions of successful vehicle transactions. We import directly from Japan, ensuring lowest prices without compromising on quality or legality. We are proud to be the first vehicle importing company in the Sri Lanka to operate without undervalue invoices. We always open full LCs, 100% hassle-free custom clearance with zero documentation issues. We have direct access to over 120 vehicle auctions in Japan, along with authorized dealer network including BMW, Mercedes, like Volkswagen. The best part is our entire process is completely hassle-free. The customer doesn't have to worry about anything at all.
Why import your European vehicle from Japan?
Japan is one of the best places to buy European vehicles at the lowest prices. Vehicle value drops sharply after the 1 year. Japanese used vehicles are very low mileage, usually 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers. Public transport reduces heavy vehicle usage. Japan follows some of the highest vehicle quality standards. European models for Japan built more strong and reliable. Japan auctions follow strict vehicle inspection methods. Only top quality luxury vehicles are selected. Import with Punchi Niwasa. Guaranteed quality, total peace of mind.
We handle everything for you. LC processing, JAI inspection, shipping, clearing and transport. Your vehicle is delivered ready to drive with a completely stress-free experience. All vehicles come with a 3-year or 100,000 km warranty, giving you a complete peace of mind. Every vehicle is fully inspected at our Japan yard before being shipped to Sri Lanka, ensuring the highest quality standards. We provide step-by-step updates so you always know the exact status of your vehicle. We also offer special insurance packages and one-day finance facility for your convenience. Now I am at the place that handles your pre-order vehicle. This is the team that turns your achievement into reality.
Hi, I'm Himash, the auction bidding officer at Punchi Niwasa Import and Export Division. So, we also purchase vehicles from authorized dealerships such as Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen and BMW.
Hi, I'm Ishara, Customer Care and Shipping Executive here at Punchi Imports and Exports. We track your shipments, handle LC documents and clearing documents.
Our expert team takes your achievement from selection to final delivery.
Choose Punchi the largest vehicle dealership in Sri Lanka, and import your European luxury achievement today. Contact us on the below numbers or visit our import division for more details.